something that obviously is a worry for the fans who've gathered here. I mean, I can just show you the gate outside, which says sold out, which is an indicator of the kind of demand and craze for tickets for this particular game, especially after the stupendous performance of the Indian team in the semi-finals, and of course the noteworthy stellar performance by Jemima Rodriguez. Now, of course, lots of fans here, but I have some fans who also come here, people I know who enjoy the game over lots of good food as well. But tell me something, this game, important game for India, what brings you to the stadium? Are you worried about the rains?
Even if it rains, we'll be there.
Yes.
So there's no escaping the rain right now, but I think we will be there. And it's absolutely wonderful to see so many men coming to see a women's final. And the spirit is amazing.
And I think that's one thing that, I mean, this kind of craze, I see a lot of popularity increasing of the women's game. And, does that feel good? Because that's something that we've been talking about, There's always been that comparison with international men's cricket.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think that if India wins today, and I'm sure they will, then it will be a huge boost to the women's cricket in India, and full power to the women's team for making it to the finals of the World Cup.
All right, and before I wrap, I have just one young fan. What's your hope for the day?
To win the World Cup for the women.
And who are you rooting for? Who do you think is going to score?
Jemina.
Jamie! We are gonna win this match!
What about the rain? बारिश के बारे में क्या करेंगे?
बारिश रहे या ना रहे, हम लोग मैच देख के ही जाएंगे।
और इंडिया जीतने वाला है।
आज कौन रन्स बनाएंगे?
स्मृति मंदाना आज रन बनाएगी और हम लोग रोने वाले आज, और हम लोग आज वर्ल्ड कप उठाने वाले हैं।
जेमी को भी बनाना पड़ेगा। अब इम्पोर्टेंट है कि बॉलिंग कैसे करते हैं, कि बॉलिंग बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है ताकि मैच विन करें।
स्मृति, जेमी, हरमन कौर, सबको प्रणाम। जितने भी आप रोए, थैंक यू। हम लोग हार्ट अभी भी इमोशन वो खत्म नहीं हो रहा है। तो जेमी, आप फाइनल में पक्का वर्ल्ड कप उठाओगे और पूरे इंडिया को और
हम यहाँ पे स्पेशली बच्चों को लेके आए हैं देखने। वो लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड है। लास्ट मैच देख के मेरी बेटी को एक्साइटमेंट हुआ है, वो बोले मैं बड़ी होके क्रिकेटर बनूंगी। सो थैंक यू।
आपका नाम क्या है? आरवी। आपका सबसे फेवरेट क्रिकेटर कौन है यहाँ पे?
स्मृति।
All rooting for the women's team, young people, young fan who wants to grow up and become a cricketer. Her parents are here, and all of you, I hope we can get to see the game. Again, the Bharat Army, well-known fans of the Indian cricket team. जहाँ भी इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम जाते हैं, आप लोग पहुँचते हैं सपोर्ट करने। आज यहाँ विमेंस क्रिकेट टीम को चीयर करने पहुँचे हैं। What's the mood like? Rains थोड़ा तो डैम्पनर है।
I mean, like आपने बोला, भारत आर्मी 26 years से we have been supporting, and आज इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी खेल रही है, लेकिन this will be the first time कि वुमेन्स गेम को people are supporting more than men's cricket, so this is an historic moment. And अगर आज इंडिया जीत जाती है तो I mean इट विल चेंज इंडियन क्रिकेट फॉर एवर। हम गली में जैसे हम लड़कों को देखते हैं, लड़कियां को भी हम देखेंगे कि गली में सामने से क्रिकेट खेल रही है, एंड दैट वुड बी जस्ट इंस्पायरिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस।
Yeah, I think it's a big moment. He has covered the most of it, but it is a very big thing. आप बोल रहे हो rain spirit damn कर रहा है, but it doesn't look like people are so energetic here.
Exactly.
They are very excited and they're waiting for this game to happen. They don't mind a curtailed game, but the game should go on because such is the magnificence of this game. I mean, imagine India lifting the cup today. It will inspire so many kids here to pick up cricket. We'll see so many women cricketers coming up, and you never know what 2011 World Cup did for Indian cricket, this might do for women's cricket in India.
What 2011 World Cup did for men's cricket can do the same this game can do for women's cricket. The game must go on. That's the mood amongst fans. We are outside the DY Patil Stadium. Let's hear it for India once again.
India! 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 जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा,
इंडिया जीतेगा,
अरे जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा,
इंडिया जीतेगा। Very excited fans outside the DY Patil Stadium, all hoping the game gets underway at the DY Patil Stadium with camera person Pratik, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.